Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 24 of the After Effects tutorial series. So today we're going to use something called an adjustment layer. So in order to create an adjustment layer, what you have to do is I already have the video right here. I'm going to right click, create new adjustment layer. So adjustment layer is a transparent layer, so which sits on top of the main layer and seems transparent, seems like there's nothing there. But what you can do is you can add in some effect here in order to control all the layers beneath the adjustment layer over here. So let's say, for example, in the adjustment layer, I can add in some effect. For example, let me just go to the effects menu here. Let me use a basic effect right here. Let me just go to, let's go for, okay, I'm not being able to click over here. So let me just go to brightness and contrast right here. So let me drag the brightness and contrast into adjustment layer instead of the main layer. So if I were to increase the brightness, you can see that it is actually affecting the adjustment layer. And let me just increase the contrast as well. It is actually affecting the adjustment layer and not the main layer. So it is applying the effect onto the main layer, right here, but through the adjustment layer. So if I were to increase the size of the adjustment layers, you can see that it affects all the layer beneath it. And if I were to resize this, you can see that it only affects the part of that adjustment layer. So now you can add in much more effects onto this. So you can add any amount of effects onto this. For example, let me add in a grain effect right here. So let me add in a grain effect right here. And let's see how it looks out. So if I were to increase the grain size, you can see that the adjustment layer actually is having grain. So this only actually works on adjustment layers, and the original layer now is untouched. So if you are not sure of applying the effects and you want to make revert back easily onto the main effect, or just want to apply the effect on part of the video, then you can safely use adjustment layer just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share.